Hi and hello students. Let's see the what questions from the problem set of the trigonometry. Here is one different sum. A ladder on the platform of the fire bridge van can be elevated at the angle of 70 degree to the maximum. The length of the ladder can be extended up to 20 meter if the platform is 2 meter above the ground, and you have to find out the height of the ladder from the ground. Okay, so let me tell you, this is the van. Okay, so above the ground, if I take the ladder up to the 2 meter above, it means this distance is 2 meter, then it makes an angle of elevation 70 degree, and then it can be extended up to 20 meter. So you have to find out the height of the ladder from the ground. It means you have to find out the AB. Let me repeat it. This is the base. From the base above, we have taken 2 meter above the ladder. If I take it 2 meter above, it is extended up to 20. And on that time, it makes an angle of elevation 70 degree. So we have to find out the height of the ladder from the base of the ground. Okay, now let's find out it. It is very simple. See, this is a rectangle. We know that it is a rectangle. So I am going to write it first. Collateral BC DE is a rectangle, and if it is a rectangle, then opposite sides are equal. Therefore, BE equals to DC, but DC equals to 2 meter. Therefore, BE equals to 2 meter. So here we can write it as a 2 meter. Now this is given, sine 70 is given on that side. So you have to use sine only because hypotenuse is given. So I am going to use sine 70 equal to, sine means what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So AE upon AD. So sine 70 value is given 0.94. AE I want to find out it, and AD is already given 20. So if the 20 comes on this side, 0.94 multiplied by 20 equals to AE. So here I get it. The multiplication of these two equals to, this is 0, then 8 and 18. 18.80 meter. This is the value of AE. So I want to find out the AB. So AB equals to AE plus BE. AE I got it 18.80 plus 2. So you will get the answer 20.80 meter. But remember that you have to write your answer in full statement, that the height of the ladder from the ground is 20.80 meter. Let's start with the different sum. Here it is one plane is given, which is landing here. On that time it makes an angle of depression 20 degree. On that time its speed was 200 km per hour, and it takes 54 seconds to land here. Okay, and you have to find out the height of that plane from the ground. It means you have to find out the AB. What is given? Speed is given. Speed is given 200 km per hour. Okay, and then the time is given 54 seconds. First listen. It is given kilometer per hour and it is given in seconds. So you have to convert that seconds into hour. So how can you convert? We know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So it means you have to convert the 1 hour into second, then 60 multiplied by 60 equal to 3600. So let me tell you the one thing, if you want to convert minute to the second, you have to multiply. But second to the minute, you have to divide. So here I have to convert second into hour. So I have to divide it by 3600. Because 60 into 60, it will be 3600. So now it will be, time is converted into hours. Okay. We know the formula for the speed. Speed equal to distance upon time. But the distance is not given. So we are going to write it like this. Distance equals to speed into time. We know the formula S equal to D upon T. So that I converted into distance equal to speed into time. Speed is given 200. Time is 54 upon 3600. Okay, it is converted into hours. Now these two zeros will be gone. Then 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 eights are 18 threes are. So you get it 3 kilometer. So distance equals to 3 kilometer. Therefore, which is the distance? This is the distance. So AC equal to 3. Now we can write it. This angle is 20. So it will be 20. Angle DAC is congruent to angle ACB. Why? Because they are alternate angle, and therefore angle DAC equal to angle ACB equals to 20. Now I am going to use the sine value. Why? Because I got it here distance. Either you can think it the value of sine is given, so I am going to use the sine. Sine 20 equals to, we know the ratio, sine equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. So AB upon AC. So tan 20 value is given 0.342. AB I want to find out, and AC I got it here 3. Okay. So now 3 comes on this side. You get it 0.342 multiplied by 3 equals to AB. So AB equals to 3 to the 6, 3 4 the 12, carry over 1, 3 3 the 9, 9 plus 1, 10. And 1, 2, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 digits. So AB I got it 1.2026 kilometer. So we can convert that into meter also. If you want to convert this into meter, then you have to multiply by 1000. So AB equals to 1026 meter. And then after that you have to write your answer in full statement. Therefore, height of the plane from the ground is 1026 meter. Let's see the one another different sum, which is not a word problem. But here the question is eliminate the theta from the given equation, and you have given two equations, x equals to a cot theta minus b cosec theta, and y equals to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. Now let me tell you here the one thing that you have to remember, which is eliminate the theta means you have to find out the values of cosec and cot. Cosec and cot. Remember that you have to find out the values of cosec and cot. After that, you have to find out the relation between the cosec and cot. We know the formula for the cosec and cot. Cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. In that, you have to substitute the values of cosec and cot, and that is called as identities. Okay, so let's see. Here the equation number 1, a cot theta minus b cosec theta equals to x. I am going to give the number 1. then A cot theta plus B cosec theta equals to y. This is equation number 1. You have studied the linear equation. Okay, if I add it, then the cosec will be cancelled. I will get the value of cot theta. So adding equation 1 and 2. So what you get? A cot theta minus B cosec theta equals to x, and A cot theta plus B cosec theta equals to y. So if you add it, we don't need to change the sign. It will directly cancel. So what you get it? A plus A, 2A cot theta equals to x plus y. So now 2A goes on that side, so you get the value of cot theta. Cot theta equals to x plus y upon 2A. This is the equation number 3. So here I got the value of cot theta. Now you have to find out the value of cosec theta. What to do? It is very simple. Now if I subtract these two equations, then cot will be cancelled. So subtracting equation 1 and 2. If I subtract, I will get it like this. A cot theta minus B cosec theta equals to x, and then A cot theta plus B cosec theta equals to y. While subtracting, you have to change the sign. It will be minus, it will be minus. Plus minus will be cancelled. Minus 1, minus 2. B will be as it is. Cosec theta will be as it is. And this will be subtracted x minus y. Okay. Now it goes on that side. So you get the value of cosec theta. Cosec theta equals to x minus y upon minus 2b. So this is my equation number 4. Okay, here I got the value of cot, here I got the value of cosec theta. So these are the identities we know it. What is the relation between cosec and cot theta? Yes, cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. But I want to put out the values of these two. So cot will come on this side. We'll get it cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Okay. Now let's substitute the value. Cosec theta's value is x minus y upon minus 2b the whole square here, because it has a square, minus cot theta's value x plus y upon 2a bracket square equals to 1. If you do the square of this one, what you will get it? Here I am going to show you. See this? The square of this one will be x minus y bracket square upon 4b plus minus x plus y bracket square upon 4b, 4a. So can you tell me why I have written the plus? It is minus. We know that minus square is always positive, so I have written the positive sign, equals to 1. Now you can take that 4 as a common here, and then it will go on that side. So you will get it x minus y upon b the whole square here minus x plus y upon a the whole square equals to 1 into 4. Let me tell you here. It is, I have done the square here. So x minus y square. Okay, and then minus square is always positive. So 2 minus 2 square is 4, and b square will be b square. Minus sign, then x plus y bracket square, 2 square is 4 and a square I have written here equal to 1. So I have taken the 4 as a common in both. It is divided here, so it will go on that side, it will be multiple. So what will remain? X minus y upon b square. So I have written in one bracket x plus y upon a square. I have written in another bracket. So our answer will be x minus y upon b bracket square minus x plus y upon a bracket square equals to 4. This is our answer. Okay.